Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest tech that actually matters. Today we're talking about the Nikon Z9 II, a camera that has been creating serious buzz. If you think cameras have reached their peak, Nikon wants to prove otherwise. This is a flagship built for speed, reliability, and image quality that can handle just about anything you throw at it. The Nikon Z9 II follows the success of the original Z9, but it's not just a small update. Nikon has worked on key areas like autofocus, video performance, and speed to make this an even more capable tool for professionals. And while it's clearly designed for serious shooters, even enthusiasts will find reasons to be excited about what this camera can do. The design sticks to what worked before. It has a solid, rugged body with full weather sealing. It's built for tough environments, whether that's shooting in rain, dust, or freezing cold. The grip feels deep and secure, and the controls are laid out in a way that gives quick access without slowing you down. It's a big camera, but the weight brings confidence. It feels like a piece of gear that's made to last. The display system is another highlight. You get a large, bright rear screen that tilts in multiple directions, making it practical for both horizontal and vertical shooting. The viewfinder is crisp and smooth, with a refresh rate high enough to make it feel almost like looking through an optical finder. When you're tracking fast-moving subjects, this matters a lot. The clarity gives you more control in critical moments. Performance is where the Z9 II steps into another level. It features Nikon's latest image processor and an improved stack sensor. The result is faster readout, reduced rolling shutter, and more detail in both stills and video. The camera can shoot at incredibly high burst speeds with no blackout, which means you're never missing a moment. Wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and action videographers will love this. Autofocus has taken a big step forward too. The Z9 II uses advanced AI-based subject detection that can track humans, animals, and vehicles with even greater accuracy than the first model. Locking onto eyes, even in tricky conditions, is faster and more reliable. In real-world use, this means less wasted shots and more keepers. It frees you to focus on composition rather than worrying about focus. For video creators, Nikon has turned the Z9 II into a powerhouse. It supports 8K video recording with higher frame rates and longer recording times. You also get oversampled 4K for sharper detail, along with options for raw video output. Color depth, dynamic range, and low-light performance are excellent. Whether you're a filmmaker or a hybrid shooter, this camera is built to handle demanding production needs. Battery life is strong, lasting through long shooting days without constant charging. Nikon's efficiency improvements mean more shots per charge, even when shooting bursts or video. For professionals who work in the field, reliability like this makes a big difference. Connectivity is modern and practical. The Z9 II comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and wired options for fast transfer. It supports multiple memory card types, including CF Express, for dealing with those massive 8K files. This makes the workflow smoother and more future-proof for high-volume shooters. The price is high, as expected for a flagship camera. But the value comes from how much it delivers in one body. You're getting professional-grade photo and video tools combined, eliminating the need to carry multiple systems. For someone who needs one camera to handle everything, the cost becomes easier to justify. Of course, it won't be for everyone. Beginners may find it overwhelming, and casual users won't need this level of performance. But for serious photographers, videographers, and content creators, the Nikon Z9 II is one of the most capable cameras you can buy today. The pros are clear: rugged build, improved autofocus, outstanding video capabilities, long battery life, and professional connectivity. The cons mainly come down to size, weight, and price. But none of these will matter to the people this camera is actually made for. The Nikon Z9 II is more than just an update. It's a statement from Nikon that they're not slowing down in the mirrorless race. It gives professionals the tools to capture moments that would otherwise be impossible. Whether you're freezing action at high speed or filming cinematic projects in 8K, this is a camera that won't hold you back. At the end of the day, the Nikon Z9 II is a camera built for people who demand the best. It's bold, fast, and reliable, making it one of the strongest cameras of this generation. If you want a device that can handle anything from sports arenas to film sets, this is it. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and help you understand what's truly worth it. If you found this review helpful, stay tuned, we've got more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.